Hi everybody, it's Pastor Angel.
Hey, Parker!
Oh, hi Parker, how are you?
Good!
Good? Oh, I'm so glad to see you.
We're so glad you joined us.
Yes, we're so glad that you joined us. This morning we're going to do some worship. Are you ready for some worship?
Yeah!
Yes, and a Bible story.
Yeah!
Yes, we are learning about how God created the world and how He made us special. Did you know that God made you specially, Parker?
Yeah! He gave presents!
Yeah. So are you ready for worship and a Bible story?
Yeah!
All right, come on guys, let's go.
Special way He made me specially. Every hair that's on my head, every time I lift my hands, every single night and day, I just wanna shout and sing. God loves me. God loves me. God loves me. God loves me. God loves when I dance, when I dance. God loves when I sing, and He loves the special way He made me specially. Every hair that's on my head, every time I lift my hands, every single night and day, I just wanna shout and sing. God loves me. God loves me. God loves me. God loves me. When I dance, when I play, when I laugh, God loves me. When I shout, when I sing, God loves me. Yeah, God loves me. Yeah. When I dance, when I play, when I laugh, God loves me. When I shout, when I sing, God loves me. Yeah, God loves me. Every hair that's on my head, every time I lift my hands, every single night and day, I just wanna shout and sing. God loves me. God loves me. God loves me. God loves me.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
Yes, 50 cents. That should do it. Hello there, friends. Welcome to the clubhouse. I'm Kai, and I am so happy to see you all today. I've been working on a super fun project with all my clubhouse friends. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's a la lemonade stand. Ta-da! I've been really busy. Wow, it was a lot to make this the most special lemonade stand ever. We have special cups, straws, and the lemoniest lemonade around. Best of all, the money we get will go to buy fun games for kids who are in the hospital. 50 cents a glass. That's all you need to get some of the best lemonade in the whole wide world.
Ho! Ho!
It's Ollie!
Hello, Kai. Ho! Ho! Making a lemonade stand, are you?
Hi, Ollie. I sure am. We're making the most special lemonade stand ever for a very special reason. I can't wait to start selling.
You are making something special. It's true. I have a story about someone who made something even more special. Ho! Ho! Just listen up. Just follow me through. Ho! Ho!
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Wow. Oh, hi there, friends. I'm Justin the mailman, just about to deliver these Get Well Soon cards to a kid named Jackson. His friends all wanted him to know he's special and that they love him, so they made him these cards. Aren't they cool? Oh, and how about this one? And what about this one? Hey, that actually reminds me of something very important you should know. In fact, let me tell you. I'll just put the story mail in the mailbox. Do you remember who made the whole earth? And all the animals? God. That's right. God made every piece of grass, every flamingo and bunny and giraffe. He put the sun in the sky, and he made the mountains really tall. And it was good. Everything God made was good. But there was something he created that was more special than everything else. Do you know what it is? Take one finger and point at you. God made you. People are his most special creation. Look at the person next to you and say, "You are special." Ready? 1, 2, 3. You are special. And you are. God made you special. There is no one else like you. It's true. Let's play a game. Tell me when you see someone with a mustache. There he is. That guy has an awesome mustache. Great job. Let's try again. Tell me when you see someone with freckles. There she is. Look at all those beautiful freckles. Okay, one more. Do you see a kid with curly hair? Oh, wow! There he is! That boy has awesome curly hair. God has made each and every one of us completely special, one of a kind. We all have different hair, skin, eye color. Some of us wear glasses. Some of us ride in wheelchairs. Some of us are really tall, and some of us are small. God made us just the way we are. He made some of us amazing singers. He made some of us fast runners. Wow, that was fast. Some of us like to draw. Some of us like to play basketball. God made some of us to like science. And some of us who love animals. We're all different. And we are completely, amazingly, and wonderfully made. The most super special thing God created. And do you know why he made you as his most special thing? Because he loves you so much. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who loves you?
God loves me. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who loves you?
God loves me. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. I'll see you next time.
So there's your story. It's all true. We are each made special by God. Me and all of you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, what a great story. God made us all so special. He made us, and He loves us so much. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I know this lemonade stand is special, but the most special thing God made is you and me. Well, I guess I better get back to work. These lemons aren't going to squeeze themselves. See you guys next time. Goodbye. Nothing at all can ever separate us from God's love. Romans 8:39. Nothing at all can ever separate us from God's love. Romans 8:39.
Nobody else in the world like you. Everywhere I look, I can see God, you make everything so wonderfully. Everything is specially me. And I am just who you made me to be. I know you love me the way that I am. And you have made me so perfectly. God, you love me just the way that I am. The way I am. There's nobody else in the world like you. Everywhere I look, I can see God, you make everything so wonderfully. Everything is specially me. And I am just who you made me to be. I know you love me the way that I am. And you have made me so perfectly. God, you love me just the way that I am. Thank you for being so good. Creating me made you so happy. Thank you for all of the people perfectly made just like me. I am just who you made me to be. I know you love me the way that I am. And you have made me so perfectly. God, you love me just the way that I am. The way I am. The way I am.
That was a great Bible story and worship, wasn't it, Parker?
Yes!
We learned all about how God created the world and everything in it, and how most importantly He created us, and that we are made special, and that God loves us. Do you know that, Parker?
Yes.
That God loves you? Can you say that? God loves me.
God loves me.
Awesome. And
God
remember,
loves you.
yes, God loves you. Are you ready to do the memory verse?
God loves mommy.
And Daddy.
And Uncle
And Uncle Josh.
and me.
And you. Are you ready to do the Bible verse, Parker?
Yes.
Okay, we've got a new one. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
We're gonna do it slow, okay?
Well,
Okay. So it says, Are you guys ready to repeat after me so we can do it together?
Yeah.
Okay. Nothing at all
Nothing at all.
can ever separate
The air separate
us from
us from
God's love.
God's love.
Romans 8:39.
8:39.
Awesome job. All right, are you guys ready to do it at home?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna say it slowly and you can repeat after me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna count to 3 and then we're gonna start, all right?
1, 2,
3. Nothing at all
Nothing at all
can ever separate
can ever separate
us from
us from
God's love.
God's love.
Romans 8:39.
39.
Awesome job, guys. Now, everyone in the room, you guys can do it together, and we're going to do it all together one time. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nothing at all can ever separate us from God's love. Romans 8:39. Awesome job, guys. Remember, God loves you. He made you special, and we'll see you next week.